Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, our MST iCore 2.0 indicator is working on all the platforms like NSE market, BSE market, MCX market, even in Forex market also our indicator is working fine. So let me show you the basic setup of the MST iCore 2.0. So what you are supposed to do to get our MST iCore 2.0 is very simple. Basically, you have to follow 3 steps. The first one is you have to open one free account using tradingview.com. Second one, you have to subscribe to our indicator because it is not the free indicator, we are giving on a lifetime basis now. And third one, you will have to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as the Telegram channel named MST School of Trading. Now let me show you how to do trading using our MST iCore 2.0. See, today's date is 16th May 2024. So now this is the trading setup. Now go to the indicator settings and give default setting, that is reset settings. Since I have chosen BANKNIFTY, I am supposed to keep in tiny to stop loss and tiny to target. Because in the market we should not give more, we have to get more from the market, that is the ultimate aim. So now we have got 4 lines formed, top side 2 line and bottom side 2 line, and in mid side there is 1 line. So the mid side we are calling it as the MGR, and the top 2 lines we are calling it as supply zone, and bottom 2 lines we are calling it as the demand zone. Market has opened in between somewhere between the support zone and the demand zone, support zone and the supply zone. Now if the market is going, that is market means the candlestick, the price is moving toward the upper side, there we have to sell. If the market is coming towards the downside, from there we have to buy. Since if you look at the previous trend of the market in the morning, it was heavy fall. So what I did today, I just enabled the Kabaddi calculation because of the market condition. Kabaddi calculation, what it will do, instead of showing the buy signal or sell signal immediately, it will go little down for the buy signal and it will go little upper side for the sell signal. So now if you see exactly buy has been triggered. If buy activated, remove the sell. If sell activated, remove the buy. See, since first buy activated, I am enabling second sell target also and second sell entry also. Now if you see what happened in the morning, exactly first buy activated here and first target hit, again first buy activated, first target hit, then second time second sell activated, first target hit, second target hit, third target, fourth target, fifth target also hit. So again it reversed from here and it has reached the first buy entry, again we got the target. Once again it has fallen and second sell activated, all the targets hit. Now you could ask me why the reversal happened here. What is the reason for this reversal? For that also we have the option in our indicator. Go to the settings and scroll down, and if you come here, you can see something called MST third buy zone. There also you can use the Kabaddi calculation if you want. You see the reason why the market has been reversed from here. It has taken support from our monthly buy zone and all the targets have been hit. Once again it has fallen, again it has taken the support from our monthly buy zone and it has reversed. See? So all the wherever it goes, our indicator is showing you the signal. It is coming here, it is showing the sell signal. It is coming here, it is showing the buy signal. No other indicator available in the world will not show you buy here, sell here and all. So only it will show, where the other indicators will show only after sell has been given the targets. After buy has been given the targets, only our MST iCore 2.0 will tell you the targets and entry before it happens to anyone. Okay, so this is the beauty of our indicator. And another important beauty is, go to the settings, and if you are a trader who wants to trade only in the noon session, during the office lunch hour, for them also we have the wonderful opportunity. So what I did, I just went to the settings and just changed the known market and I will reduce the stop loss to tiny to stop loss. And I will also reduce the stop loss to tiny 2. See here, first buy activated and it has reached the sell zone from 47,354 to 48,062. So almost 700 points profit we have got in a single entry. 700 points profit for 100 points in single lot, it is 1500 rupees. So you just calculate 700 into 1000, 7 into 1500 rupees. So how much profit it will come? So this is happening only in the known market? No, this will happen in all the markets. Whatever types you are following, you can follow. I am telling you, you don't have to follow the blind setup. If you want, you can follow with some bullish R3C or bearish R3C concept also. And another beauty of our indicator is not a repainting indicator. You can keep in 1 minute time frame, you can keep it 3 minute time frame, you can keep in 5 minute time frame, you can keep in 15 minutes time frame. The values will not be changed. So we will be getting exactly the same figures. So perfectly we got the entries and we got the target hit. So you can use it in 1 minute time frame, you can use it in 3 minute time frame. It doesn't make no changes. So now what I will do, I will enable the targets. I will enable this first. I will disable the sell zone. I will also add the targets. First target 4, first target extra 5, and first target 6. So like this I will keep on adding the targets. So now you see all the 3 targets almost hit, all the 6 targets almost hit. If you want to know the pivot point between the first buy and the second sell, for that also we have the option. So this is with respect to known market. Hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubts, please ask us on the given number 9500009154. Also subscribe to YouTube channel and indicator, and we are going to stop our lifetime validity also very soon. So if you want to avail lifetime validity at 130% discount, you can contact us. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all a happy profitable day ahead.